Here's my drawing all traced onto the watercolor paper. So my first step is to decide on the skin color. I've looked at my model here, and I like to use this photograph as my basis of everything I paint because the skin tones here are pretty accurate. He has a cool skin, his eyes are toward brown, but he seems to have this very British cool complexion. You can use any yellow and red together, but what I usually use is New Gamboge and maybe alizarin crimson, but in this case his skin was cooler than that, so I used permanent rose and raw sienna so that it would have a soft look. So first thing I do is I add the red color, and then I add yellow. I find if I put the red down first, color won't get too yellow. It's very easy to have the skin come out too yellow if you're not careful. I'm going to use my largest brush. This is probably a 20, and a light value because he has very light skin. And then I'm just going to cover the entire face. And I like to just tip my board up just a little bit so that I can get a bead of water coming down the page as I paint. And I'm using lots of water, as you can see. I'm going to paint over this entire face and down into the neck. I've got it back into the hair, but he has dark hair, and that's fine. When I get to the very bottom, you see that bead of water collects there at the bottom, so I'm drying out my brush, and I'm just going to pick up that bead, and then I'm going to let the whole thing dry before I go any further.